Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Alien English Show. I'm Stella, your English teacher from Earth.
And I'm Blip, your favorite alien student. And today, I have a problem.
Oh no, what's wrong this time, Blip?
I need clothes. My spacesuit is dirty.
Okay, then today's lesson is perfect. We'll learn how to go shopping in English.
Great. I want Earth clothes. Cool and comfortable.
Let's start with some simple sentences you can use in a store. Repeat after me. Hello. Can you help me, please? How much is this? I'd like to buy this. Do you have this in another size?
Hello. Can you help me, please? How much is this? Easy. But what is size?
Good question. Size means how big or small something is, like small, medium, or large.
Oh, on my planet, sizes are tiny, regular, and supergalactic.
On Earth, it's a bit simpler. Let's learn some clothing words. Repeat after me. Shirt, pants, dress, shoes, hat, jacket, t-shirt, skirt, sweater.
Shirt, pants, dress, shoes, hat, jacket, t-shirt, skirt, sweater. So many things. Humans wear more layers than aliens.
Yes, because Earth has hot and cold weather.
Ah, true. My planet is always warm and shiny.
Now, imagine you are in a store. A shop assistant says, "Hello, can I help you?"
I say, yes, I need clothes for my antennas.
Maybe say, "Yes, I'm looking for a shirt."
Okay, I'm looking for a shirt.
Very good. The assistant may ask, "What size are you?"
I'm size, extra tall and green.
Maybe just say medium or large.
Got it. Humans like simple answers.
When you want to try clothes, say, "Can I try this on?"
Can I try this on? That means I can test it.
Exactly. You try it in a fitting room.
Oh, a secret room for fashion experiments.
Yes, something like that.
Okay, can I try this on? What if it's too small?
Then you say, "It's too small," or "It's too big."
What about it's too shiny?
Maybe not. Humans usually like less shiny clothes than aliens. Now, you like your shirt. You go to the counter. You ask, "How much is it?"
How much is it? And they say $50.
That's right. Then you can say, "I'll take it," or "Thank you, but that's too expensive."
Too expensive. That means too many Earth coins.
Exactly.
Aha! I prefer space money. It glows in the dark.
That sounds fun, but on Earth we use paper and cards. Okay, let's practice a short shopping dialogue. Stella, as the shop assistant, "Hello, can I help you?"
Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt.
"What size are you?"
Medium, please.
"Here you go. Would you like to try it on?"
Yes, please. It's too small.
Okay, here's a large one.
Perfect. How much is it?
It's $20.
I'll take it.
Great. Cash or card?
Moon card.
Oh, sorry. We only take Earth cards. And we're going to review today's new words. Repeat after me. Shop, store, cash, card, clothes, shirt, pants, dress, shoes, hat, jacket, t-shirt, skirt, sweater, size, price, expensive, cheap.
Shop, store, cash, card, clothes, shirt, pants, dress, shoes, hat, jacket, t-shirt, skirt, sweater, size, price, expensive, cheap.
Perfect.
Now I'm ready for a fashion show.
Maybe next episode. Okay, let's have a little fun. This time, I'm the alien and you're the shop assistant.
Welcome to Blip's Space Store.
Hello, can I try this shiny jacket?
Of course, that size super galactic.
Ooh, nice. How much is it?
Only 2 moon coins.
I'll take it.
Great. Free antenna polish included.
Thank you. Best store in the galaxy.
And that's it for today's episode. Blip goes shopping.
Now I can buy clothes, talk to humans, and use please all at the same time.
That's real progress, Blip. Thank you, Teacher Stella. I feel very stylish.
And you, listeners, practice today's words when you go shopping. Say, how much is this? And can I try this on?
And remember, if it's too shiny, it's probably alien fashion.
See you next time on the Alien English Show.